We're continuing our series on how to build an online business, step-by-step training. Today we're talking about content. Stay tuned. Welcome back to Your Digital Mindset, the channel that is devoted to you, the online entrepreneur, your online business, and you know it, your mindset. Mindset is everything. Okay, we're going to rehash what we talked about so far in the first few episodes. We talked about number one was setting yourself and your day up for success. And at the end of this video, there'll be a tab where you can click and watch the entire playlist. In episode 2, we talked about picking your niche. Episode 3, we talked about what you're going to share / promote. And I call it sharing because if you believe in what you're promoting, you don't feel like you're selling it. You feel like you're sharing it. It's something that you would feel bad if you didn't share it. You believe in it so much that the things that I promote, I believe in them so much that I really feel like I'm just sharing them. I'm not selling them at all. And then we talked about where to find those items. Then we talked about big time. Episode 4 was picking your brand, your domains, building your websites, and your sales funnels. And then in episode 5, we talked about email marketing. Then we talked about a little bit about ClickBank in the last episode. And today we're going to talk about, of course, I mentioned it earlier, content. Content is king. You cannot build a business unless you're just going to run ads without content. Creating an organic following, an audience, a tribe, and content is how you attract those people, called traffic. Okay, so we're going to talk about content today. I'm going to tell you about where you post it, what you need to know to create content, where you can use somebody else's content to get yourself some recognition and stuff like that. So let's dig in. You know about most of these, so I'm just going to touch on them and we'll kind of breeze through them because I don't want to make a big long video talking about every single social media platform, but I'm going to touch on them for you. Quora is one that a lot of people don't think about, and I'm telling you, when I first started, I would take a little time real early in the morning, about 1 hour, and I would get on Quora and I'd look up topics in my niche, answer questions where I could, and get some business that way. You can get some free organic business from Quora by answering questions, okay? And people will visit your profile and they'll get in touch with you. So that's one that a lot of people don't talk about, but it's still very, very popular. And Quora, answers on Quora, they actually rank on Google too. So if you answer a question and it's a good answer, Google will rank your answer, in the search findings, okay? So keep that in mind. A lot of people don't talk about Quora, but it is powerful. Of course, LinkedIn. This is another very underutilized platform, especially in the B2B market. We're business to business. We're like somebody like me. I'm working with other entrepreneurs. And a lot of what I do online is working with other entrepreneurs, helping them grow their business. So somebody like me can get a lot of return on LinkedIn. So keep that in mind. A lot of people overlook LinkedIn too, and it's very valuable. And here's some more. These are a few that you're going to know very well. Facebook, no doubt about it. Twitter is, a lot of people are scared of Twitter because they feel like it's a big negative energy spot. However, there's a lot of people, especially in my niche, that are getting a lot of good traction with Twitter right now. So keep in mind Twitter. Instagram and Facebook. Did you know you can post to Instagram and Facebook from inside the Creator Studio? I'm not going to cover that right now, but you can. Just go to the Creator Studio, just go down here, click right here, and you'll be able to post to Instagram and Facebook at the same time. So keep that in mind. But Instagram is another way to get a lot of business. Pinterest is another. YouTube, obviously, more than likely you're watching this video on YouTube. YouTube is a good way to get business. I want to mention this because in a second I'm going to show you something that's a lot more, as far as right now, is the best way to get free business, free leads for your business right now. But I still want to mention this, that YouTube is a good long-term strategy. You need to have a YouTube channel. And I know a lot of you are out there going, man, I just don't want to show my face on camera. Guess what? You don't have to. I know plenty of people who make a great living, have a great business by just recording screenshots. You don't have to show your head like I'm showing right now. I've made many videos without showing my face, and they've done just as well, if not better, than the ones where I show my face. Maybe folks don't want to see my face. I don't know. But either way, don't get discouraged if you're going, man, I can't make content. I can't show my face. You don't have to. However, I do encourage you to get past that because I assure you, people don't care about what you look like. They care about what you have to say. Many people are going to relate to you. It doesn't matter what you look like. Sometimes if you're too good looking, you might be intimidating. You know what I'm saying? So don't worry about it. Okay, and again, especially I don't care how old you are, because I'm over 50. Okay, you can do this. We have people in our team who they're 80 years old, 78 years old. I think we have one over 82. So we have plenty of people that are up there in age a little bit, and they do just fine. Because if you have desire, it doesn't matter what age you are. If you want to do it, you can have it. But again, I don't want you to get discouraged if you're too old or even too young. Talk to your parents. But either way, you're never too old or too young to have an online business and be successful. All right, but I want to touch on this. On YouTube, I'm going to show you a way to get business and get leads from other people's viral content. And this is ethical, because what you're going to do is you find something that's very popular. See, there's 1 million views. And what you do is you find a way to share this piece of content where you're providing value to somebody else. Maybe you post it on your social media channels. Maybe you go onto one of these social media channels and answer questions for somebody, like on a Facebook group. Somebody might have a question. You say, okay, this video will answer your question. And then we'll show you how to do this real quick. It's a really cool way. And again, I know some people are going to say, that doesn't seem ethical. It is. Watch. You just go to the video. Over 1 million views. And again, I don't know if this video answers anybody's question. 50 minutes of marketing strategy. Maybe it does. But this is just show you an example of how to do it. Copy the URL. And you go over to a place called Sniply. Sniply.io. I've been using this for well over a year. It's a really cool website. You take that. Okay, so I paused the video and I tried to log into Sniply, but Sniply seems to be having a problem right now. And that just shows you, I talk about courageous, imperfect action all the time, CIA. And sometimes you just have to put out content that's not perfect, like this video. I try to show you Sniply, which is a really cool tool, but today is having a problem with the website, so I can't get logged in. But either way, you can put a comment down below, and hopefully by the time this video is posted, I'll have a resolution to it, and I'll show you how Sniply works. But either way, you get the URL, you go to Sniply, you put it in Sniply, it gives you a new link, and then when people go to that piece of content that you shared with them, so the original creator is going to get recognition, they can click a little tab, and it'll take them to your content after they get done with the original piece of content. Really cool way to use other people's viral content, very popular creators, and get some recognition for yourself. You might get some leads, or you might make some sales out of it. Either way, Sniply is a really cool tool. However, today it's not being so cool. So anyway, we'll move on from there. But if you do see this video and you do have questions about Sniply, drop a comment down below. All right, and then still talking about content. So what I want to talk about now is the most powerful way to get leads right now for free for your business, hands down, is TikTok. There's no question about it. Because I've been on YouTube for a year longer than I've been on TikTok, and I've got probably close to 10 times more followers on TikTok than I do on YouTube. And I love YouTube. And YouTube is a great way to teach people, to educate people, to entertain people, to really build that know, like, and trust. People start getting to know you a lot better through your longer pieces of content. But TikTok is a great way to meet people. That's the first part of know, like, and trust is know. They can get to know the fact that you exist. And then they go, it's kind of like saying, hey, how you doing? And you go, oh, how you doing? You say, hey, I want to get to know you better. Come on over to my YouTube channel. Because I'm going to tell you, probably 90% of my followers on YouTube came from TikTok. You're watching this video right now, and you might have found out about me on TikTok. So there's no question about it that TikTok is the most powerful way to get free business. And they're so easy. And again, I'll show you. Remember I told you about not showing your face? A lot of my videos on TikTok, I'm not showing my face. And they do just as well, if not better, than the ones where I'm showing my face. And look at that, 1,800 views on that one. 12,000 views on that one. And all I'm doing is showing my computer screen going, hey, go over to YouTube. Look at that. TikTok is promoting my video, telling people to go to another platform, and TikTok is still showing the mess out of that video. So again, this is really for you people who don't want to show your face, or either way, it should give you some hope that you can do it if you are kind of shy and that kind of thing. Just point your camera at the screen and record, or you get something like Screencast-O-Matic, which is what I use to record my screen right now. It's a video editor and a screen recorder. You get something like that, you can get it for free. You can get a paid version. I think I pay like $18 a year for Screencast-O-Matic Premium, or maybe it's Elite. But either way, it's a paid version where you get a lot of extra tools, and I've done videos on those on Screencast-O-Matic. But either way, you can definitely put out content without showing your face if you're against it. All right. So again, TikTok is very powerful. And if you're interested in getting trained on how to do TikToks the best way, so you really start building a following really fast, a really strong following, and you don't need viral content. You just need the right people to follow you. That's the name of the game. is speaking their language to the people who are going to buy into what you're talking about, become your customers, become buying customers. And we've got a training program for that. Links on your screen, also down below. If you want to learn how to do TikTok, it's $1. You can't beat it. What's cool about it is, see if I can, but when you get that TikTok training, you also get access to all these free bonuses as well for $1. I mean, I promise you, if you don't think it's worth it, you get your money back anyway. But I guarantee you this is worth thousands of dollars because you get access to the 15-day challenge in there. You get access to a one-on-one coaching call in there. You get all these free bonuses. And again, if you just learn TikTok, it'd be enough. But you get all kinds of stuff with TikTok training because we want you to be part of our family. So cool. That's the way to do that. I want to mention this too, is whatever you want to do with your business. If you're trying to build an online business, and you are because you're watching this video, is I do everything with Builderall. And you can go Google Builderall if you want to and join that way. However, if you join through me, you're going to be on my team. And you got somebody who's been using this, the most powerful digital marketing platform on the planet. I've been using it for 3 years now, running my entire online business. It has every tool. You can look at all these tools. Look at that. All these tools are included. And you get the main things you're going to have is hosting, website builder, funnel builder, autoresponder for your email marketing we've been talking about, auto post tool we talked about earlier where you can post to several social media platforms at one time, and a ton of other tools, 800 done for you sales funnels. It's crazy. But anyway, if you want to join Builderall, links for that down below too. But this really makes it easy because it's one low payment. It's cheaper than a lot of so-called competitors, and the competitors don't have nearly the amount of tools that we have. So really cool to have everything you need to run your business in one spot. So that's there too. I think I covered what I wanted to cover today, but again, one more thing, big time, on your content. If you're going, man, I don't know what to talk about. Learn, do, and teach. If you're brand new to online entrepreneurship, if you're just starting to build your business or you've been doing it a while, you know this game. It's learn, do, and teach. When you learn something like you're doing right now, do that thing and then go teach about it in a video. And again, you don't have to show your face, however you want to do it. But learn, do, and teach is how to make content because you're going to be learning a ton of stuff right now. It's all new. So every time you learn something, practice it, get good at it, then teach it, make a quick video about it. 10, 15-minute video, boom, you've got content. And that's how you build a loyal following is producing content with learn, do, and teach, and repeat. Keep doing that every day, and you'll build a strong following no matter what platform you're on. But again, some take longer than others. Right now, TikTok is the way to go because then you can drive them from TikTok to your more long-term plan, whatever, YouTube, Instagram, whatever. But keep this in mind that in the grand scheme of things, you're a media company. That's what you are as an online entrepreneur now. You're trying to get people's attention, and getting their attention is with content. And then keeping them is with valuable content, providing them with value. Like right now, I'm trying to teach you what I know. And that, like this whole video series I'm doing. I'm not charging for the video series. I'm just sharing everything you need to know to start building an online business step by step. All right, so I think I covered it there. If you got any questions, drop them down below. If not, I'll see you in the next video. It's Chaz here with Your Digital Mindset, and I can't wait to see you on the inside. Thanks a lot.